from the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, here are
The Jonas Brothers!
There's a fire in your eyes, I can't freeze it. Baby, we're gonna wanna remember this. Baby, we're gonna wanna remember this. When you taste the world on your lips, there's a lifetime living inside that kiss. Baby, we're gonna wanna remember this. Baby, we're gonna wanna remember that. I'm feeling so cool. Top to the bottom, just cool. Every little thing that I do. Man, I'm just feeling so cool. Yeah. Woke up feeling like a New Jersey. Comb my hair like an old school scene. Feeling like a late night summer last year. Standing there with the red dress on. A kid of queen like a young Jane Fonda. Is it me or am I just having a good year? Lately I've been feeling so cool. Sometimes I'm just cool. Every little thing that I do, I'm just feeling so cool. It's like ooh, baby, I just follow my rules. Set it for the color on two. Man, I'm just feeling so cool. Bust the doors off the Rikers, all these lights are green, man, they look like palm trees. And every time that song comes on, it's about me. Oh, I feel like Post Malone when I get home, sitting there feeling like it's Game of Thrones. And now that we made it, how complicated was last year? Lately I've been feeling so cool. Sometimes I'm just cool. Every little thing that I do, damn it, I feel so cool. It's like ooh, baby, I should follow my rules. Sell it for a dollar or two. Then I just feeling so cool. We're gonna dance in the living room, stay till the way room first. When I'm leaving you, just dance in my living room, not with an attitude. It's only you, man. You know that it's real. So why would you fight and try to deny the way that you feel? The way that you feel. The way you feel. Your body's got other place, so stop pretending you're shy. Come on and dance, 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 dance. Only human. It's only human. Happy 4th of July.
What an amazing performance! You can also see them get trained by Olympic athletes in track, gymnastics, and BMX in their upcoming NBC special, Olympic Dreams, featuring Jonas Brothers. It airs July 21st at 8 p.m., and you don't want to miss that, do ya? No!
Sparks will definitely fly when those guys compete against each other.